welcome to Cooking with LYNQ. Today we are going to be making nature's cereal, the famous TikTok recipe, and we're each going to make our own. So this time, our special twist is we're going to be adding some Genius to the coconut water.
And the Genius makes you smarter. No,
makes you smarter.
Well, there's omegas from flaxseed and there's nutrients from fruits and vegetables.
So let's put 1 big spoon into the coconut water, and you can close it up and shake it. So that in itself is already a drink. You could always make our Genius in coconut water instead of real water if you prefer.
Wow.
So it does add a little bit of a sweetness, and it changes the color. It's quite pretty.
Wow, this is really,
it really is pretty. Yeah, it's a bit cloudy because of the coconut water is a bit cloudy.
Yeah.
The recipe is basically we take whichever fruits we want and we put that on top and we eat it like a cereal. So it's a vegan kind of
so let's do it.
fruit bowl
Let's try
cereal.
it.
Let's try it. Yummy!
What a cool idea.
Smells good.
It really is good, guys.
It is good. It's actually, I find that the coconut Genius mixture is quite good.
Yeah.
I would actually drink it like this. It's a great breakfast. Thumbs up for this recipe. Please like and share and subscribe to our videos.
And follow us on TikTok.
And follow us on TikTok too.